In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enter in a map code here in Fortnite. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process really is super easy. Start on the main menu right here, and essentially you just need to scroll down from the main menu, and you're going to be put on a discover page. It looks something like this. Essentially, select this little search bar right here, and this is where you're going to want to type in the map code that you want. Now, I actually don't have a map code right now, so let me actually find one. Let's just say we want to do this 1v1 map code right here. That's what the code is, for example, and then I can back out, go back up to discover, and then type in that code, which of course I'm just going to copy paste. Boom. As you can see, it's going to pull up whatever island matches that map code. From here, you could select it and then start playing it just like so. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.